Our family really enjoys barbecue chicken wings and burgers, but when the weather starts to cool down and when the snow hits in the winter, our options are pretty limited. This was until we got this Cusimax grill. We use this grill indoors in our kitchen. You can power it from your power outlet in the kitchen. It comes with a glass lid which has a rubberized edging that not only keeps cooking vapors contained when enclosing the grill, but it also makes it easier to lay the lid on top of the grill without fear that a heavy hand may crack the glass. At the bottom of the grill unit, we have some rubber feet, one on each corner to stabilize the grill unit and ensure it doesn't slide on your table surface. And then inside the actual unit, the grill plate has two handles, one on each side. When you lift it, the grill plate reveals the double U heating tubes underneath. And because the grill is removable and it has a non-stick coating, it makes cleanup a breeze. On the side, we have the LED smart display, and there's really only four button options: a power button, a fan button, and the up and down temperature controls. So you can pretty much use the grill out of the box without having to figure out any complicated instructions. The grill cooks from 200 Fahrenheit up to 450 Fahrenheit. Overall, it noticeably reduces the amount of smoke compared to a regular indoor grilling plate, but I would not say it completely eliminates it 100%. But based on what you're cooking on the grill, be it burgers, hot dogs, steak, fries, veggies, it's quite incredible and definitely a great alternative if you don't have access to an outdoor barbecue. And because of the perforated design on the grill, it even gives you charred lines a regular barbecue would give you. Overall, with the great reduction of smoke this grill produces, especially for indoor use, the dishwasher-safe grill plate, and the great tasting food that the grill can make, the whole family really enjoys using this grill.